Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I will show you how to manage our Google passwords on your Motorola Moto E22. To manage our password, we must go to the Google Chrome, where we have three dots on the right side of screen. We click there and we have setting option. Choose it, and now we have password option, and there we have our password manage option, where we can turn on turn off our save password option, or auto singing, or we have our password which our Motorola remember, in this case to Facebook. We can click there and we have our email and password which we can copy, or if we click there, our Motorola show us our password to Facebook which remember. We can delete it, click there and confirm by delete password. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.